Welcome back to another Analytics YouTube review. This is month 2 for this channel. It is February. We started this channel in January of 2025. So January started off nicely and now we're into February. I will say the numbers dropped a little bit this month, unfortunately. So let's go ahead and dive into it, take a look and see what we're working with for month 2 on this channel. This channel is called Baby Registry Reviews. I focus only on baby registries. I'm trying to be very specific and very niche with this channel. For the month of February, we got 83 views. It is down. We got 11.3 watch hours. That is down. And we got 0 subscribers. We're only at 1. So, it is what it is. We are not doing shorts on this channel. And let's go ahead and go deeper into the content. So I always like to just do this across the board and see where we're at. Now, this channel is unique in that I don't get a lot of views, but when I get a view, I am getting good watch time. Okay, so it's just an interesting channel versus my other two. I'm just trying to get that watch time up. This one already has it. I need subscribers and I need views. Okay, so let's go ahead and just dive into it. I already said 11.3 watch hours. Now the average percentage viewed is 54.9%. So basically 55%. That's amazing. And some of these videos are long. Some of them are 10 minutes. Some of them are 23 minutes. Getting 50% on any video is great, in my opinion. Okay, we already talked about the views of 83, and then for impressions, we got like 1445. So in the month of February, I published 4 long form videos. So if you split these impressions between them, that's just simply not enough impressions per video. We'll dive into that in just a second when we go into the specific content. Now, the click-through rate of 3%, actually not bad. It's better than my other channel was this month. So shockingly not bad. I think I'm just not getting enough impressions, because if I got more impressions and I had that 3% click-through rate, I think I would get the views. I don't know if YouTube isn't understanding my content, like baby registry reviews. I don't know, maybe the reviews is causing me more problems, and maybe people don't know what a review means as far as like they think I'm reviewing just like, I don't know, the products or something. And I am, but it's more like baby registry guidance. I'm trying to give guidance, help, and assistance. So maybe I need to target some of those words a little bit more, but either way, we're at 3% click-through rate. And then this next number, our average view duration of 8 minutes and 11 seconds. That is amazing. Okay, so for these like few views, I'm getting great average view duration. That's how I got 11 watch time hours with only 83 views. Like if you do the math, it is, in my opinion, compared to my other 2 channels and their growth, this is impressive. So the conundrum with this channel is I need impressions to get clicks, to then get those watch time hours. The other thing I do feel I'm going to struggle with, and I have felt this way from the beginning, is subscribers. Nobody wants to subscribe because you're only pregnant for a few months. You only need this information a couple times, and then you'll have your baby shower, you'll have your baby. So I think getting people to subscribe is going to be tricky with this channel. Let's go ahead and go into the actual content. Okay, so we have content from January and February now. We're sorted by views. So this best video is January. It's like, I think this might be my first video I published. It got the most views. So my February ones didn't outperform this. Second place, also January. Third place is then February, January, February, February. And then beyond that, there's a few videos that they're not actually live yet. I just am the view that watched them. So ignore those. There should be only about 9 videos. I think 5 from January and 4 from February. So just looking at these top ones, again, I find it very interesting that the top 2 are from January. I don't know why that is. I guess because I don't have subscribers. So my videos aren't going out to my subscriber list to watch first. They're just going out into YouTube space right now. So it'd be really great if I get some subscribers. I am very happy though with some of these numbers, some not so much. So, okay, impressions. We got like 550 on this one. We only got 43 on this one. What's up with that? And 223 here and then 76 here. This one was a February one. 281. This one was a February one. Only 90 impressions. Why did I only get 90 impressions? Okay, yes, I only got 3 views. And yes, the click-through rate is only 2.2. But the people that were watching that video, my average view duration is 10 minutes. So I don't know why I'm not getting more impressions. Because like these average view durations are amazing. 6 minutes, 14 minutes, 11, 6, 10, 10. Like these view durations are killing it. And then on my click-through, 5.1, 9.3. This one not doing so hot with 1.8. Not sure exactly what's wrong with that thumbnail and title. And then here, 6.6. Like my click-through rates, I will say, are bouncing, but some of them are good. And those average view durations are crazy good to me. 14 minutes here on average. And that's via 10 views. I know it's not a lot of data because there's not a lot of views, but that is still really, really good. once I get people, I can get the hours. I really believe this channel can get the watch time hours. What I need is people to see the impression, see the video, click the video, and subscribe. Okay, so that's gonna be my challenge with this channel. I will go ahead and take you to see that earning area. I did this on my other channel this month, and what's crazy is my other channel, so I have 11 subscribers, and I think I had like 7 watch time hours. Here I have 1 subscriber, and I'm already up to 35 watch time hours, and that's for only 2 months. This channel's only been live for 2 months. So 35, obviously not even close to where I need to be, but that's much better than my other channel that's now like 6 months old. So interesting. I see where these channels are going to have different problems and different issues. This one, I fully believe I can get the watch time hours over time. I really got to get those clicks and subs. Subs are going to be the death of me on this channel. I just know it. Some other opportunities that I see with this channel are compilations. As I have all these videos, maybe I go through and I pull different clips from each video and I make a compilation of like bath time products or sleep products or clothing. Could do that. I also see the opportunity to make my own baby registries and then present them. Like I present these reviews. I will make it known that I created it, but I've considered making a minimalist baby registry, making a maximalist, everything. I've considered making one for more the crunchy mama or the girl mom, the boy mom, the twins. I've thought about that. I can make my own. I've also thought about making baby registries that are very strictly focused, kind of like bath time products. Get, don't get, maybe get. So I could do a lot of different things with this and still do baby registry reviews and still talk about products. Some other things to consider on this channel, I find the videos not that hard to film. Now, taking the time to make a baby registry, it's going to take more time and more research and more thought. But filming them and finding them, not that bad. Editing, not that bad. What takes me time is I link all the products. So that is a little bit time consuming, okay? But I want those affiliate links. I would love to see people go check out the products and, make some purchases. That's another way for me to make money on this channel. Another thing I've considered, and I'm not ready to do it quite yet, would be to offer this as a service where I will take someone's baby registry and I will review it. Now, the debate here is, do I film it and present it on my channel? How much do I charge for this service? And would anyone be interested? Right now, I don't think I have enough views to probably garner enough interest, but at the same time, sometimes it's great to start out these offers and these ideas when your channel is small. I don't want to start this and get flooded with hundreds of requests that I can't fulfill. So this is an idea that I have, and like I said, I might present them on my channel, or they could be private. I film myself going through their baby registry and I just send it to them, and it's just a private service that I offer. I've also thought about offering 2 different price points, one for a public one and one for a private one. So if you see this video and you think this is a potential, let me know your thoughts. Send them my way because I would love to hear them. And if you want to learn a little more about what this channel is, like watch one of the videos, I will link one in the description for you to check out and get a better understanding of what I do. And yeah, basically how I can monetize it. Because I know getting 1,000 subscribers is going to be very, very difficult in the long run. It will probably take me quite a bit of time. So I would love to make some money off this channel. I see the potential for it and I'm very excited to keep working on it. So that is it for now. I am very optimistic on this channel. It is still young, it is a baby, and I do feel like baby registries are popular. I just got to get them to the people. Okay, so it's figuring that out and just tweaking my strategy and seeing what I can do. So I would love to see you back here for the next one on this new baby channel that I got going for me. All right, thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.